Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Lucas Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to get an interval mode with your window wipers using this relay from a Golf Mk1. When you drive an old Golf like this as a daily driver, it gets annoying really fast when you only get to choose between fast and faster regarding your window wipers. So it was one of the first modifications I would like to do. There are three types of relays you can use. The first one is a number 19 from a Golf Mk2. The second one is a number 99 that I have here from a Golf Mk3. And the last one is a number 19 from a Scirocco Mk1. The one from the Golf 2, the number 19, has a 6-second interval and the other ones are adjustable. Now these are the tools you're going to need. First of all, you need a flathead screwdriver. You'll need a 24mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver and some pliers. First of all, take off the horn button. You can just take it off by pulling on it towards you. When you look behind it, there are two cables connected to the horn button and you can just pull them off to completely remove the button. Once removed, you'll see the nut holding the steering wheel in place. You'll have to force the steering wheel to stay in the same position while you undo the nut, otherwise you will just turn the wheels. Now you can just remove the ring and the nut holding the steering wheel in place. You can remove the steering wheel by just pulling it towards you and it should come off right away. Now we'll have to remove the next part of the assembly. It's held together by 3 screws in the upper right, upper left and bottom. When you're done taking out the screws, it's time to remove the cover. It's held together by 2 screws as well. Next, you'll have to take out the 3 cables in the back. If you're going to use a screwdriver like me to help you with this, please make sure the battery is disconnected or else you might short circuit something. Especially the one on the top left is very hard to remove. You'll probably want to use a screwdriver to act as a lever to remove that one. Now if you look closely on the left side, you'll see a white piece of plastic. Just put your screwdriver behind it and take it out, just like this. What you notice right away is that you can move the lever 1 step down from the off position. From here on out, all you have to do is reverse the process. The first step in the reassembly is reconnecting the cables again. Just like when you remove them, the top left one is the hardest to reconnect. Now that the cables are back in place, you can put the 3 screws back in. And when you're done, you can put the cover back on. Now it's time to put the steering wheel back. Just slide it into place. Right now I'm going to step out of the car to check if my wheels are turned left or right, to make sure that I put in my steering wheel the right way. Now obviously I should have done this beforehand. The result is that after I finished, I noticed that my steering wheel was put on at an angle. When you're confident your steering wheel is on straight, put the O-ring and the nut back. The final step is putting the cables back on the horn button and pushing it back into place. Now that the hard part is over, all that's left is installing the relay in your car. What you see right here is the fuse box. What we are going to do is take out the piece of metal that is to the left of the number 21 relay. Now just put the relay where you took out the piece of metal. So after doing all this, it's time to see if it actually works. Now when I tried to use the wipers, I ran into a little problem, and it seems that the relay doesn't work as it's supposed to. Because I like to do my project as cheap as possible, I used a second-hand relay to do this project. And as you can see, there's some fire damage done to this relay. Probably the car it came out of has been in a car fire and it melted some of the metal away. So until I get a new relay, I can't really show you the results of my work. So a couple of days ago I ordered a new relay, and as you can see, it's come in the mail today. So I ordered a new one, so we shouldn't run into any problems like we had the last time we tried this relay. So let's go install it. So now that I've put in the new relay, let's check out if it actually works. And it seems like we're done. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.